Okay, so in the midst of coronavirus free time, we are going exploring in the barn. And what did we find? But an old Forrest Gump style lawnmower. So we're gonna see if we can pull that out and make it go fast.
So as you can see, there's quite a few things in the barn. We've shared some items that we found, and this is usually where we go hunting when we're looking to start a new project, and we came across this beauty. Look at it. So the boys have been watching a lot of YouTube, saw some souped up lawnmowers. So we're gonna see if we can, well, first dig it out, get it outside and see what we have.
There it is.
All right. So what's our first step?
I don't know. See if it's got any gas in it.